So here, I've discussed very important topic called how to promote videos on Facebook page. Now here, suppose you don't have any YouTube channel, something like that. So you can promote videos on Facebook page. Here, the option call is share photo or videos. Now click here. In the option, first option is called upload photo or videos. Just click this option. They're going to your desktop videos. Select your particular videos option. Just go to here. Select any one. This one I can select for how to integrate Blogger to website or anything. So I'm selecting for this option. Select the video here. First, write down add title on your video here. This will be description on your video. Just tutorial by Rakesh. What option called hashtag? No. Done. These are tags. It's very important. The video belongs to for which one? Digital marketing. In this one, SEO. Write down SEO. Search engine optimization. Write down social media optimization. Waiting for blogger. Clear? Now, in this video, add by write down more videos. You can go to your YouTube channel. Suppose they can see the video. After the relevant video, they click for our YouTube channel. So it will promote my video views and our YouTube channel also. Click this option here. Select your channel. My channel. Copy this URL. Select it. Paste it. Now here, click for publish. Click for publish now. Done. They're going to publish on your options here. So video processing here. After process video, just wait for a second here. I give few options in this video here. Now process going on here. 90%. When done, the option will be this option. So 90% here. Just wait for up to 100%. So wait for a second here. So my video is done. Yes or no? If anybody come to here, the video will automatically play here. So now uploading my video here. Just I have to see my views, my videos. You can show by below. Second option is called go to publish tools. Your website clicks, video clicks, everything will be there into the publishing tool. In this option, what is the publishing your post? We can check by views here. Here I'm done. Reach 0. How many clicks done? 0. 4 reach. How many clicks? 0. 7 reach. How many clicks? 1. 12 reach. How many clicks? 0. 10 reach. How many clicks? 0. Here, clicks will be done. They can go into option call is 3. Now go to video library. What are the posting done in video? You can see 0, 5, 6, 11. Video will be guaranteed. Clicks will be not guaranteed. Organic. So if increase page likes, video will be guaranteed. Why? Because if you open any Facebook page, video will be play automatically. So view will be considered in this one. When you share on your groups, friends timeline, so view will be increased. At a time your YouTube links also will be increased. See this one. Is it clear? So compare the public post and video, which is better. We go always video for increased likes and reach. So Facebook page organ results will be depend on your posting on videos. That is the option here. So all the previous views are 0. Now refresh. So this option, don't forget this option. The option call is publishing tools. Now still is a 0. Now clear? Now very important option call is here. The option call is edit video is there. The edit video. If you change in thumbnail, if you change by thumbnail by here. So clear? What is my video? My this one? Just copy here. See the screen carefully. Go to Google. Select it. Images. So right now I'm setting for this only one website. Just click here. Select the same title. Okay. Share. Just here. Here just thumbnail. Here. These are the your website thumbnail. You can select this one also. But if you go your own thumbnail custom, add image, we're using desktop, go to a specific drive. You already image will select yes or no. Select it. It's very important. First time uploading video person share where title, description, tags, and publish. After publish, the option will be enabled. This is called thumbnail. Change your video details. The thumbnail here, distribution. Change page. Which page are you going to distribution here? Mr. Rakesh. Yes or no? Now here. See this one. You can change for voice call. Allow for embedding. This video will be. Now, this is one. Subtitle and captions. This one subtitle will be English. If you changing language, okay, yes. Subtitle for CC nothing but when I explain video, you can below give the titles. That is called subtitle and caption. Now, tracking. You can tracking report by here custom labels. That is called we are writing for this. Which one you are in? Done? Added. What is the how to add social media icons in Blogger 2018. So this is purpose of which one label is digital marketing. Select. Your page highlight by using custom labels. Is clear? Now write down Blogger tutorial. Then click for save. After publish video, what are the options changing here? Your thumbnail, custom labels, details, and subtitles and CC. Done. Now just go to your page. User, see my video. Look this screen. See, the views will be counted by here. reach and this one. So if you check the videos, click for videos here. How many views done? What are the videos are there? You can check by here. Now click this one. This will be 5 views, 8 views, 11 views. This one. When sharing on group friends timeline, the reach will be increase. Always remember when you share any video using with the complete thumbnail is much should important. The user can understand easily our post. Clear? This is called share the video on Facebook page along with the thumbnail and etc. For share content, simple option. What is that? Select the here, copy. Option call is share, share. First, I'm sharing my friends, my timeline only. No, share, click, add any group, heading for tips. Click here. Post. Is it clear? This is a reach. So compare with the post and the video reach. Video will be most is the people's. So getting likes and page views.